Hi you guys, so today I'm going to be making homemade Fresco milks from Steak and Shake. Okay, here's all of the sauces I'm going to be using to make a Fresco milk. I think that the sauce is what makes a Fresco milk because without the sauce it's basically a hamburger. Okay, I'm going to be adding ketchup and some of this sauce. I don't know how to pronounce that. Also, I got everything I'm using today from Walmart. Okay, some Thousand Island dressing with bacon. And I'm not measuring any of this. Some creamy French dressing. Comment down below your favorite salad dressing. Okay, now I'm going to be adding some pink salt. Just a little bit for some little extra flavor. Okay, I'm going to mix all of that together. I think that it started to look like the Steak and Shake sauce. Okay, here I'm going to be adding some chipotle sauce. My mom recommended me to add some of this, so I'm going to add that. It kind of made it a little bit spicy. Okay, I'm going to put that in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Okay, here I have some ground beef. I'm going to put into this large mixing bowl. And I'm going to be using 4.5 pounds of ground beef. And I'm going to season that with adobo and black pepper, just a little bit for some little extra flavor because the sauce already had a lot of flavor. Okay, I'm going to be adding some more of the sauce. I'm going to put that in the refrigerator along with the sauce for 30 minutes. I'm going to set a timer for that. Okay, now here's my sister. Now we're going to be adding some more stuff to the meat. It's been about 30 minutes. I took it out the refrigerator. My mom recommended us to add all of this. So I'm going to add ketchup and flour. The flour is to help the burgers stick together. And my sister wanted to add the egg, so she's going to add the egg. The egg is also to help the burgers stick together in the pan. Now some barbecue sauce. We was running out of barbecue sauce, so we didn't put as much, but it still worked. Now I'm going to add some yellow mustard. Okay, here's how it all looks. Now I'm going to just mix that together. At first I was mixing it together with this, but it started taking too long, so I just decided to mix it together with my hands. Okay, here's my sister, my other sister. She's going to be helping me by putting the meat back into the refrigerator for 15 more minutes. Okay, so now I have a skillet on the stove and I'm going to put that on 6.5. That's for the burgers. Okay, my mom rolled the burgers into balls because the meat was making my hands itch and burn. So now I'm just going to smash that down. Here's how it looks. After a while, it started breaking apart, and I also put another one in the pan. And also, I have some oil on the stove for these waffle fries that I'm going to make. Okay, they're in the oil. Now I'm just waiting. Okay, now I'm going to spray this oven-safe pan with some butter spray. And I'm going to put some sourdough bread onto the pans along with Swiss cheese and American cheese. Okay, I'm going to be putting both types of cheeses on one piece of the bread for each sandwich. So American cheese and then the Swiss cheese. And here's how it looks. Now I'm just going to put that in the oven. I didn't count how long I put in the oven. Also, the oven is on broil, but later I took the oven off of broil because it was making the cheese and the bread burn too fast. Okay, now here's the sauce after 30 minutes of it being in the refrigerator. And I'm going to put the sauce on top of the bread. Only on one bread. About 2 tablespoons of each on each sandwich. Okay, spread that on there. And now I'm going to have 2 burger patties on each sandwich. Okay, here's the second one. Now I'm just gonna put that top bread on top. Okay, there's the assembled sandwich here. Okay, the waffle fries are done. Now I'm gonna put some butter in another skillet to brown both sides of the bread. Okay, this one started sticking to the pan and it also ripped when I put it. Okay, here's the final look. I think it looks really good. Comment down below how I did and comment down below